Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right bag and packing order. Put heavy, structured items at the bottom so the bag compresses evenly. Once done, roll soft garments into tight cylinders to remove air pockets. Make sure delicate items are in a protective pouch. Place shoes in a shoe bag and position them along the sides to maintain shape. Leave the compression valve area accessible. This first action reduces bulk and prevents damage when you apply pressure, so you gain usable space immediately. You now seal and actively compress the bag. Zip carefully and ensure any double track seals or flaps are aligned. A small gap defeats compression. If using a pump, do 3-5 pumps. If using a vacuum, pulse the hose to avoid fabric damage. As you compress, smooth garments to prevent concentrated creasing. Make sure the valve cap is secured after reaching target size. This step reduces volume efficiently while protecting fabrics, so you can control firmness. Finish by verifying the bag holds pressure and sits compactly in your luggage. You should press test seams and the valve for 10-15 seconds to feel any slow leaks and tighten the cap. If air returns, reopen, re-roll the contents with firmer pressure and reseal. Repeat compression once or twice. Make sure the packed bag avoids sharp edges and high heat during transit. If a seam leaks, transfer items to a spare bag. This troubleshooting keeps your gear safe and your suitcase organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.